Hey everybody, I've got an HP LaserJet Pro printer. It's a 182 series. I'm going to be unboxing it today. So it is a color printer. It's wireless. It's got the copy feature. It's got the scan feature. There's a link in the description where you can find it. I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Be sure and like and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Let's check this thing out. Okay, just taking a closer look at the box here. HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M182nw, high performance printing impression. Just at a glance here, it does give you some different idea there what it's capable of. Connectivity functions, print, copy, scan, impression copier, dual band connectivity, dual band Wi-Fi, built-in fast Ethernet, high-speed USB. Right there, print speed up to 17 pages per minute. It does do letter, paper handling, 150 sheet input tray capacity, user interface, 2-line LCD with numeric keypad. So it does have a little LCD display, energy savings. And there's your color chart right there. This end of the box here, it just shows your, it is compatible with smartphones, save time with Smart Task. It's got a little app there for the HP, so it looks like it will let you print off your smartphone, so that's always a plus for a lot of people wanting to print receipts and whatnot. Front of the box, parlez-vous français. And here on the other end of the box, it does tell you it is compatible. Microsoft, Google Assist, Apple Store, Alexa, it does work with that. Works with Google Play, and all of that good stuff right there. Time to unbox our HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M182nw printer. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to bring the camera in a little closer here, just so you can get a little bit better look. Okay, so this is how everything's been packaged or boxed very nicely. Got your warranty, got your instruction manual right there, quick setup. Does come with a USB cable, comes with a power cable. Surprisingly, they're actually showing the user laying the box on its side and pulling the printer out. I'm a little surprised, but okay, we can do that. Alright, so for the instructions, going to go ahead and lay this down and continue the unboxing. It's coming slowly. There she is. Okay, let's unwrap it now. There she is. brand new HP printer. We just need to pull off all the tabs, make sure the cartridges are all ready to go, and then set it all up on Wi-Fi. Everything in the box, you've got your HP color LaserJet printer, you've got some nifty quick setup guide and instructions, you've got your power cable, and then you've got your USB cable right here. So here's a quick look at everything in the box. You've got your HP LaserJet color printer, you've got your warranty and quick setup guide, there's your USB cable right there, and then you've got your power cable. So this HP LaserJet Pro 182 series printer is currently running $358 on Amazon. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. So remember, the big advantage of a LaserJet printer versus your inkjet and your other printers is the toner doesn't dry out and it doesn't go bad like some of the others. If you don't use it for a month, no problem. You're not going to have clogged up jets or a problem with the toner. It's just ready to go all the time. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Be sure and leave a comment. Let me know what other items you'd like to see unboxed or even a review done on. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.